بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. I would like to point out a few dates in our calendar month as Muslims that those days have been forbidden to fast, and namely is day of Eid al-Fitr. Eid al-Fitr is when we've got 30 days of Ramadan, our obligatory fasting month is finished. The following month, Shawwal, the first of month of Shawwal is called Eid al-Fitr, and it's forbidden to fast on that day. And the second one is Eid al-Qurban or Eid al-Adha, and that is 10th of Zihajjah, is the month that Muslims go for pilgrimage to Mecca, and that's forbidden also to fast on that day. The third one is Roza Ashura, day of Ashura, and it is 10th of Muharram, and is forbidden also to fast. And then fourth is whether the person doesn't know whether it's end of month Shaban, last day of month Shaban, or first day of month Ramadan, and what has got intention that is going to fast with the intention of being the beginning of month Ramadan, and this is forbidden. Then if there is a doubt in mind that whether is Roza Arafah, which is the 10th of 9th of Zihajjah, month Zihajjah, or Eid al-Qurban, which is the 10th one, and that is also forbidden. And also there is a rule for ladies, married women, if they want to do optional fasting during the year and they think it will clash with their obligations towards their husband, they should ask for his permission to do so. And even if they doubt that whether it will clash or not, still they need to get the permission of husband. And also there's children fast to perform optional fasting. They've got to make sure that the parents are happy with it and they're not worried about their health or dismayed, otherwise this is void, it will be void. And if without seeking their permission they start fasting, and in the middle of the day they find out, oh no, this is causing them dismay, so they have to stop and break it. Now we've got few ways to establish when is the first of each month in our Islamic calendar, and that is for one himself or herself to see the moon, like witness, look at the sky and see the moon, actually physically see the moon there. Secondly, to hear from two just people that they have seen the moon, provided those people, when they describe the moon, shape of the moon they've seen, it doesn't contradict each other and it's exactly the same thing they both describe as. The third one is we get so many people saying that they've seen and we trust, they've seen the moon and we trust their word, they are trustworthy people. Fourth way is when 30 days have passed from month of Shaban, then the following day is the beginning of month Ramadan. And how do we establish when is the end of the month Ramadan? Is we count from the beginning of that month, and after 30 days we know that the month is finished.